Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of my best friends. One of the most useful tools that I can think of on your personal finance journey. This is, obviously, as you can see from the screen, Personal Capital. What is Personal Capital? Well, it's a whole new way to manage your money, as they say. This is a direct competitor to Mint, and they allow you to track your budget, they allow you to track your income, um, and do all sorts of fun things with your portfolio. I really love it for their portfolio tracking. So I'm going to log in and give you an insider look and see what it looks like. Will you get down? Get down. Hey! Knock it off. What are you doing? Come on. I'm calling you. Get off the desk.
Was that part of the presentation?
No, I'm cutting this part out because I'm signing in.
You found the little kitty.
Okay, now I'm recording again. Okay, so this is the Personal Capital dashboard now that I'm all signed in, where you can see all sorts of fun details. So you can see how much cash you have on hand, how much your net worth is based on the accounts that you've linked. Oh, I don't know if I want all of those up there. Okay, so here is your Personal Capital dashboard where you can see your net worth. You can see any investable cash that you have on hand. You can see what your portfolio looks like at a glance here. You've got some budgeting. I don't really use Personal Capital for budgeting. I know friends that do, and they love it. I love Personal Capital for their portfolios. So you can also see cash flow if you have all of your bank accounts linked and everything, and your portfolio balance. So right now you can see I'm sitting kind of pretty at 172. Took a big drop here in June. Don't know what happened there. Oh yeah, I do. That was when I took money out of my taxable investment account. Anyway, so you can see all the fluctuations and changes in my portfolio balance there. So up at the top here, you have your menu, you have your overview, you can see what your banking, your cash flow, and your bills look like, the budgeting section. You've got your investments here, and then planning is very useful. We'll get to that. This is kind of like a rite of passage in the FI community to get a call from Personal Capital. You'll get a call once your investable assets hit over $100,000. So I got my call almost 2 years ago now, I think, and it was really awesome the first time. Just be like, yeah, I hit this milestone. This is awesome. But I never actually did anything with them because I didn't really feel like they had anything that they could offer me. Okay, so let's go to the investing side. So this is what you can see what your total portfolio is made out of. So here's all of the things that I have on here. You can see this pretty little graph that shows I'm not doing too terribly bad. And then you can see all the individual holdings that I have broken out. So as you can see, this S&P 500 stock index is the most that I have with 5,000 shares, which is pretty cool actually. I didn't know I had that many. So you can see your balances. So you can see your balances and how much you've changed, which I really haven't changed a whole lot in the last month. Let's see, what does the last 6 months look like for me? Yeah, again, hasn't changed much. Again, not changing much. A slight upcrease though, if you go back far enough, which is nice. Same here with your performance. You can see how you're doing. Now this looks a lot better because it's a distinct upward trend there for this calendar year. It says I'm up 11.64%, which I would agree with. The market has been doing incredibly well. So you can see, this is my favorite, where you can see everything that you've got. So you can see cash, you can see your bond allocation, your US stocks, and then they break it out further into different. So if you click on that, you can see your large cap core, large cap growth, and then mid cap and small cap down there. So I'm a little heavily weighted towards large cap, but that's all right. So if I go back, you can see way up here is international stocks, and then alternatives is over here, whatever that means. And then you can see all of the sectors that you're invested in. So I am, looks like heavily weighted in technology at this point, because they can't really figure out what this unknown is, which is fine. So then I have this planner, and this is my favorite thing to tell people about Personal Capital. This is your retirement fee analyzer, and it is truly incredible that you can see how much you're losing to fees, and you can change the fees that you're getting charged in here and see what it looks like to lower them and see what impact it has to your fees, because 0.82 doesn't seem like a lot, but it is. So you can see here, age 27, I don't know why. Why does it say that? I haven't contributed 1.8 million. I wish I did. Oh, this is total. Okay. So total, I would have contributed 1.85 million. Earnings, I would have gained $5 million in the stock market, and I would have lost $1.5 million to fees if I keep up this fee structure here. So you can go down here and play with these and adjust them on the sliding scale to see what it looks like, and play with some values to see if you can get that to go down, like edit assumptions here. You can put in your date of birth. You can do retirement age, which, us is like 51. And then you can add in all sorts of other things, and it's super fun and very helpful. This is especially helpful for those who aren't necessarily in the financial independence community, because you can tell them, like, listen, that is really, really bad, and you are losing so much money. And they're like, oh no, it's fine, it's 1%. That's crazy. And so you can see what happens. My expense ratio is 0.1. So I don't know where they're getting all of that, but this is much closer to my annual fee, so you can see the impact. My former 401k charges me 0.01% on, or 0.02%, sorry, on my investments, and then charges me $2 a quarter for fee to keep the thing. So you can see how much of a difference that really, really meant to me, because I'll still have contributed 1.85 million, but my earnings will go up because I'm losing less of it to fees. And look at that. 151,000 instead of 1.5 million. That is crazy. You fix that and bada bing, bada boom, done. So this is why I really recommend using Personal Capital. You can share it with your friends and get $20, which is awesome. So if you want to do that, you can please use our link at firedrillpodcast.com/PC. I hope this helped explain a fundamental tool of the personal finance and financial independence community. So have fun inputting all of your data and playing with numbers.